How to speed read. Improve your efficiency by learning how to read up to 3 times faster with these proven speed reading techniques. You will need discipline and practice. Step 1. Skim an entire article, chapter, or even book before you begin reading. Take in the title, introduction, any subheadings, and bold type passages so that when you start reading, you'll already know the selection's main points. Step 2. Lead with your index finger, a pen, or your computer mouse, which keeps your eyes focused and moving ahead. This prevents them from darting around rereading words, something the average person does to the tune of 20 words per page. Move your pointer at a faster rate than you think you can read, which will retrain your brain by forcing you to keep up. Step 3. Stop sounding out each word in your head or mouthing the words silently, 2 things many of us learned to do in grade school. U.S. Air Force research shows your brain can recognize a word in less than 5/100ths of a second, while it takes 1/4 of a second, 5 times longer to say it in your head. Step 4. Learning not to sound out words will help you chunk, a technique that requires you to group together 4 or 5 words by skipping articles like the and. You'll still get the meaning, since these words are not needed for comprehension. Step 5. Train yourself to stop taking a short pause after each paragraph, something most of us do unconsciously. When reading a passage on a computer screen, try highlighting the text in a dark color and changing the font color to white. Your eyes can more easily read white words on a dark background. Did you know? John F. Kennedy, a student of speed reading, told a reporter he could read 1,200 words per minute, although he later admitted to exaggerating that number.
Created using Powtoon.